Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I want to share with you this beautiful digital kit from Cara Brandon Creations. I will have all of her information along with the link to this digital kit listed in the description box below. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Adeline's Scrapbook. So here we've got all of this vintagey looking with the tape, paper, the little paper clip, the postcard. And here we have some background aged writing paper. And I don't know if you can see it, but there are very faint lines on the pages. Here we have a blue background page. Here we have more aged book page with some flowers on top, a little bit of tape. Just absolutely gorgeous. Here's some more blue with the flowers and the aged papers, or the cards again. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have some blue again with the birds. Now we're shifting to kind of a green background with the rose and then the floral over here, the floral wreath. Here we've got some little pen nibs with the floral, more papers, paper clipped together. Little postcard collage type thing with a ribbon around it. More of the lined paper with some flowers imposed on it and the blue butterfly. Here we've got kind of a yellow, I'm going to call it sort of an ochre background with the very light butterfly and of course the mixed media on it. More of the ochre with some birds and flowers. And then we move into ephemera, and I believe there's 7 pages of ephemera. So we've got some tags here. I love the shape of these. Can't wait to play with them. 6 tags. And on this page, we've got a couple of little coin envelopes with some cards here. And a page full of little cards that can be cut out and either used as embellishments or add as journaling cards or whatever embellishments you want. Here, oh, let me move this one away. And I apologize, there are 6 digital pages in the ephemera pages in the kit. 3, 4, let's try that again. 6. Okay. Here we've got this great ephemera page. We've got postcard, we've got some buttons, we've got an inkwell with a pen. We've got a little locket here, the pen nibs here, cards, labels, a little stamp. And here we've got large tags with that same fun shape. And large tags again. Okay, did I mess up again? I may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 6 ephemera pages and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting 11 full-size pages, but since I've had such a hard time with this, Okay. Then, and this is what I had already in there, but to go along with the kit, in Cara Brandon's Facebook group, again, I'll have the link below, on August 27th, she put out this Friday freebie that goes along perfectly with Adeline's scrapbook. So if you haven't already, go over to her shop, take a look at this kit. I will be using this for my September design team project, and I can't wait to start playing with it. I see this ending up being a lacy, feminine, fun journal. So be sure to head over to Cara Brandon Creations Etsy shop. Again, the link will be down below. And pick this up so you can play and make yourself a beautiful, gorgeous journal. I think this would be great for a gift. You know, we're getting ready to get into making our Christmas gifts and stuff. And they don't have to be seasonally themed. I think this would be a great journal for someone that you want to make a journal for, but don't want to do say a Christmas themed journal. So anyway, I will have that coming up in September. So until next time, I wish you all a wonderfully happy, crafty day. Sorry I've kind of botched this video, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.